Very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is our episode number 63 that will be also dedicated to the healthy body. This is the need of the hour. And dear friends, this will be coming under the holistic body healing series for the world. This is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. It is very much important for us. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode and the playlist on the Corona and the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Welcome in the Holistic Body series. Welcome in a new world. This is our summary of the health concept which we have already delivered in our previous episodes. Kindly read it once, revise it once, so that you can enjoy this particular episode. Episode number 45, 46, 58, 59, episode number 60, some of the concepts, episode number 61, and our last episode number 62 of this particular playlist. Dear friends, let us quickly revise it so that we can enjoy this particular episode. Concept number H48 is more will be the free flow of the white pure energy, and this will be ensure the healthiness of the human body. This means whatever is the white energy is there, if we ensure the free flow of it, certainly the healthy body will be occur due to it, and free flow of the energy need of the healthy body, we can say. Concept number H49 is what is the resistance. It has been clearly described in this particular particular concept. Concept H49 is every type of the black energy. What is the black energy? Impure body electricity. Every type of black energy is a resistance for the free flow of the white energy. And this has three particular types: solid form, just like a cyst or the tumor; liquid form, just like a pus formation in our body, pimple making in our body; black liquid or the tar formation in the cigarette smokers, and it can be in the vapor form also. But in nutshell, we can say every type of the black energy, whether it is in the solid form, liquid form or vapor form, that is called as a resistance for the free flow of the white energy. Concept number H50 is disease means free flow of the white energy is not happening. It is facing some kind of the resistance in it, and this resistance is to be removed through water cleaning or the vacuum cleaning, and kindly refer the concept number H40 for it. Dear friends, we have to use some kind of the similar conditions so that you can easily understand. That's why we have put it the word like water cleaning and the vapor cleaning, so that I can make myself understand to you. But it will be better that if you read the concept number H40 so that you can understand this particular concept. And dear friends, I am an engineer by profession. That's why it is my firm belief that if the concepts are very clear to us, then certainly we are able to deal with any kind of the problem. That's why my main emphasis is for the concept in the very logical manner. Concept number H51 is how to measure the blockage or the energy flow check. Let us see that how to measure the blockage. This can be done in the science also. What are the methods which we are using in the science? Heart artery blockage can be measured, nerve blockage can be measured, blood flow checking can be done, blood pressure, we check the blood pressure, that is to be checked, that can be checked. Bone continuity checking, this has been done by the X-ray. I can say measurement of the blockage is possible in the science. If it is possible in the science, then certainly it is possible in the spirituality also. Concept number H52. Measurement of the blockage in the spirituality. It can be felt by individual first. Second one is it can be measured by the Kirlian photography and the aura photography. My dear friends, kindly take a aura photograph of yourself, then certainly you will understand about the true inner energy level, energy purity level of yourself. And kindly read in the Google and the YouTube, certainly you will be get benefited by it. And this is the need of the hour, this is the future technology which will be very much helpful for the spirituality as well as for the science. So dear friends, the blockage or the energy flow blockage can be measured in the spirituality. It can be felt. It can be measured by using the Kirlian photography or the aura photography. Or third one, it can be measured by solid form. What is the meaning of the solid form? Shift making or the tumor making in my body. Liquid form, pus formation or the liquid black liquid formation in the cigarette smokers, etc. And in the vapor form, that is also one type of the measurement, we can say. Concept H53 is cure of the energy blockage in the spirituality. Dear friends, till now we have discussed about the requirement of the free flow. It is necessary. What is the meaning of the blockage? We have understood. What are the meaning of the disease? We have understood. Now there is some kind of the cure for the energy blockage. First one is acupressure. Acupressure is a rich science. During an acupressure session, the practitioner press and specific acupoints on the human body and it gives the direction to the energy. This is supposed to restore the energy flow, blockage removal, and it is also balancing to the life energy or the stem energy flowing through the human body. Dear friends, free flow of the white energy is ensured by using the acupressure. That's why we can say this is the guarantee of the healthiness. Cupping therapy, this is also a kind of the acupressure. Although it is not very much popular in the world, but yes, it is very useful. Third one is massage therapy. This is also very much useful, very much well understood in the world also. Massage is also a very good thing by which we can maintain the blood flow or the energy flow in our body. Acupuncture, this is very important. This has very much rich science in it, but acupuncture is not equal to acupressure. Acupressure can be taken without the doctor guidance also. That will not harm you very much, but acupuncture may harm your body. That's why this must to be done with the supervision of a acupuncture specialist only. Dear friends, the acupuncture also provide the direction to our energy through the body puncture. It removes the nerve blockage. This is ensuring the free flow of the energy. And as we are ensuring the free flow of the energy, that's why we are giving the guarantee of the healthiness. Another one, Reiki. Reiki, it is also a rich science. It is healing through the pure energy. Pure white energy is flowing through my palm. That's why Reiki is very, very, very important in energy healing. So dear friends, the pure energy is coming from the palm. It is balancing the energy circuit of the human body. It is cleaning the blockage of the energy. It is removing the black energy and it is providing the white energy to the body. That's why it is making the healthy body. Dear friends, in the Reiki, the quality of the energy, purity of the heart is the center of the concern. Quality of the energy is the center of concern. And if my heart will be pure, then this particular purity will decide the quantum of the energy flowing from our heart. If my heart is very pure, if my soul is very pure, then certainly a very big quantum of the energy will flow from my hand and I will be able to cure the persons. Concept number H54 is the more will be the power or energy or body electricity or chi energy or the stem energy. The ancient energy healing techniques like the acupressure, acupuncture, cup therapy, massage therapy, Reiki, energy healing, our holistic healing techniques, etc. will work in very powerful and effective manner. This means if the energy level is very high, this means all acupressure, acupuncture, energy healing, Reiki, this will be do work in the miraculous manner. This will be work in the very powerful and very efficient manner. Concept number H55 is energy leak check also to be done in our human body, and that can be done only in the case of the high energy state. Just like tire puncture checking. How I measure the tire puncture? Tell me. First, I fill the air in the tire, then only I am able to check the puncture in the tire. Okay. Similarly, if I am on the high energy state, then only I will be understand about the energy leakage from my body. So dear friends, the energy leakage check in our human body can be done only in the higher energy state. Concept number H56 is the healing techniques which works on the deeper layers of the human existence are able to do more permanent healing. This means if a particular healing technique, if it is touching deep in our human existence, this means it will do the more permanent healing. And what is the meaning of the deepness? Let us see it. Allopathy, our today's medical science, this is limited to the body only. Yes, it is very superficial and very superficial. Allopathy is limited to the body only, but it is very quick. Homeopathy is more deeper than the allopathy. Acupressure is better deep in comparison to the homeopathy. Acupuncture is more better than the acupressure. Reiki or the energy healing is far more deeper than the acupuncture. Ayurveda, what is the meaning of the Ayurveda? Ayurveda is equal to healing through the natural herbs. This is more deeper science than the Reiki or the energy healing. And our holistic healing methods will be more powerful, more effective than the even Ayurveda. Sorry for my boasting, but yes, we will use the best of each technique. That's why we can firmly say that the holistic healing methods will be more powerful than any of these techniques. Concept number H57 is energy healing methodologies like the Ayurveda etc. not works on the stone. Stone means less energy humans, the humans which have less energy. So dear friends, more will be the energy. If my energy level is very high, more will be the energy. More effective will be the ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda. Energy level high, this means Ayurveda like ancient healing techniques will be work in the very miraculous manner, in very astonishing manner. Nowadays, the ancient healing methodologies like the Ayurveda are less popular because our human body has very less energy. Dear friends, we have just day to day meeting very less kind of the energies. We haven't harnessed our full potential. We even do not know about it. That's why I can say in a very slang language, we are just like a discharge mobile, just 15 to 20% charging only. So dear friends, We have to have charge our body, then only we have to use the methodologies of the ancient medical sciences, and we have to focus ourselves to one disease and we will be able to cure it. Concept number H58 is in the holistic healing methods of the channel 0 to infinity, we will use best of each techniques. Acupressure, acupuncture, Reiki, massage therapy, energy healing, all are very rich sciences. Hence, use of all the ancient techniques reasonably and heal your body through the optimum path. We have to use very quick method, very optimum method. And dear friends, it is completely our individual choice that whether our nerve and the blood of our body should be like a clean river or like a polluted river. It's a very individual choice. Let's try to be clean our nerves, clean our blood, so that we can remove the diseases. Dear friends, we specially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the result of the healthiness technique described in the channel 0 to infinity. Let's start the journey towards healthy body. Dear friends, this is our health energy healing method which has been clearly described in our channel. What is our requirement? Clean energy, high level of the energy and the balanced energy. This is our need. We have already discussed about how to generate the energy, how to balance the energy, how to give the direction to our energy. Okay. Now, if we focus and concentrate our energy to the problematic limb, if we can deep feel ourselves, if we do the do and die practice, then certainly 101% the healthy body will be our right. We can acquire the healthy body, but whether you want to do it or not do it, this is completely of your own individual choice. Dear friends, now let us start this particular episode. Why one method or the one holistic healing cure is prescribed for all the body health problem? Why? I am just talking about the energy and just we are healing everything with the help of the energy only. What is the reason that we are prescribing only one method or one holistic healing cure for almost all the body health problem? Let us discuss it. Dear friends, as per the science, first I am clearly saying at last I am an electrical engineer. I am feeling very sorry in the advance only. I am not a doctor at all by the profession. I am touching this field because the energy which I know about it, that can be very helpful in the healing also. That's why I am discussing. But basically I am an electrical engineer. That's it. So dear friends, as per my knowledge, the allopathy basics, what are the allopathy basics? Some of the generalized healing methods are there. Some generalized healing methods are there. Some basic fundamental cures are there for almost all kind of the disease. General healing, fundamental some methods by which we can cure almost all the disease. Not all the disease, but many of the disease. Just like, for the example, if we have any kind of the pain, body ache, headache, etc. What I am taking? I am taking paracetamol, a common man medicine. This is called as a generalized medicine. Any kind of the pain, I am taking a paracetamol. Okay. Antibiotics have some kind of the families. Not every disease need a separate antibiotic. There are some kind of the antibiotic families, and by which we can cure many of the diseases. So dear friends, we can say the antibiotic healing is a kind of the generalized healing. Another one, if someone is feeling very lazy, someone is feeling very weak, then what I am doing? I am putting a drip to that particular person. I am giving the saline injection to that particular person. This is also a type of the generalized healing. Okay, this means our science has some kind of the generalized healing methods. And finally, the stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy. This is the need of the hour to know about it. Our science has reached up to this level only. And what is the stem cell? This is mother of all the cures. Almost all kind of the diseases can be taken care by this stem cell therapy. This is cure of almost all kind of the disease, and we can say this is the mother of all the cures. Mother, respected mother. Great. Dear friends, first cell ever which converted into all other limbs. This is a very intelligent cell which know what it is intended to do in the body. This is the primary cell in our body. It know whether it want to make heart or mind or eyes or my hand or leg. It is very intelligent. It know what it has to be done. Okay, it is a very intelligent cell, the stem cell. That's why it is called as a mother of all the cures and the basic fundamental cell of our human existence. But dear friends, one very good thing is that this is the mother of all cures, but very big problem is there. And what is it? Very limited time stem cell availability. Stem cell is not available all the times. When the person is born, this means the umbilical cord is there at the time of the birth. Then only we are getting a good quantum of the stem cells. Second one is in our bone marrow, the stem cells are being present. But in nutshell we can say it is available in very limited time. That's why this is the lacuna of this particular therapy method. Although it is a future healing method, and it is also very costly method to deal the diseases. Dear friends, we have discussed about the science, that what are the common methods, what are the generalized methods to cure any kind of the disease. Now let us see that what the spirituality is saying about it. Whether the spirituality have the guts to deal the problems, whether the spirituality have some things so that we can heal our body. Let us see it. Dear friends, the stem cell was the mother of all the cures. Okay? In our spirituality, we have stem energy, and this is father of all the cures. If they have the mothers, we have the fathers. And father is none to second at all. Dear friends, this is cure of almost all kind of the disease. We can firmly say, this can be said by help of the ancient civilizations. Dear friends, the stem energy is the father of all the cures. This is all time available. This is the peculiarity. This is all time available. This is available to complete mankind. This is available for all the humans. There are many ways available for the energy generations. This is the eternal method, in the past, present and the future. Before 10,000 years old, there was the energy. Today, there is the same energy. After 5,000 or 10,000 years, there will be the same energy. energy was, energy is, and energy will. Dear friends, that's why we are saying this is an eternal method. The STEM energy method is an eternal method. Dear friends, this is the one-man army method which can cure almost all the diseases. And we salute to the great genius of our mankind, quotable Einstein, the Albert Einstein. Dear friends, he has given a very good mantra, a very good equation, E equal to mc square, by which we can say energy can be converted into the mass or the solid, and the solid or the solid and the mass can be converted into the energy. That's it. We are using the science in our spirituality, and the E equal to mc square is also working in our spiritual science concept also. Dear friends, the STEM energy can be converted into the STEM cell. This is the point to be measured. I invoke the doctors so that they can find the fact whether I am boasting or whether I am doing the saying the correct. They have to measure it. The STEM energy can be converted into the STEM cells. STEM cell is a type of the condensed eternal STEM energy. And what is the energy? What is the STEM energy? All are the same: power, energy, body electricity, chi energy, life energy, and the STEM energy. All are same. Energy by which I am talking to you, by which I am seeing, by which I am thinking, by which I am doing my all the works, all the day-to-day works. This is called as energy. That's it. So dear friends, STEM cell is a type of the condensed eternal STEM energy. This means by STEM energy we can increase our STEM cell also, the power of the cells also. Dear friends, the STEM energy is the energy which converted into all other mass, limbs, organs or the human body. This is very intelligent energy which knows what it is intended to do in the energy, in the body. You just acquire the energy. Rest all the things will be done by it. Repeating, you just acquire the energy and learn how to give the direction to that energy and leave all the other things. The great intelligent energy will take care of the problems, take care of the black energy automatically. You do not have to worry about it. This is a brilliant energy at all. Dear friends, now a great miracle, a great concept I want to deliver it to you in next couple of the slides. Earlier the science was different, spirituality was different, but yes, in the today's spiritual science, in the channel 0 to infinity, we are mixing both of them. I am talking about a systematic knowledge. I am talking about the science of the spirituality, of the religions. Dear friends, let us learn it. Electricity is one. You all are using the electricity in your home. Okay? Hardly any of the human is there on the earth who is not using the electricity nowadays. Dear friends, electricity is one, whether we generate it from any of the method, whether we generate it from the solar or thermal, through wind or nuclear. By any method you generate the electricity, it will be just like the same. Agreed? Now, electricity is one, okay? But usage may be multi-purpose. Just like the same electricity can be used for the cooling purpose, same electricity can be used for the heating purpose, same electricity can be used for the magnetism purpose, same electricity can be used for the lighting purpose. This means there are many methods by which we generate the electricity, but electricity is one, and by this one electricity we are using many methods by which we are using the electricity in many methods: heating, cooling, lighting, etc. Okay, and let us crack one joke. Although I am very serious person, I am not very good in cracking the jokes. You can see it. And nowadays only electrical department is selling items with complete purity. If you do not trust on it, you can experience it by touching it. You will feel its purity instantaneously. Dear friends, I am an electrical engineer. I can firmly say that yes, we are selling very pure product. If you want to see it, kindly touch it. You will learn about the purity of our electricity. So dear friends, electricity is one, but uses are many. This can be used in the multi-purpose methods. Now the greatest concept of our channel Zero to Infinity. This is the Eureka moment. This is a complete truth. This is the 101% truth. Dear friends, STEM energy is just like electricity. Repeating, the STEM energy is just like electricity. Very simple concept. But how much it is useful, you will feel afterwards when I will cover the energy series. Dear friends, the Nikola Tesla has discovered the electricity. Okay, that has very rich literature of the electrical engineering from the last 150 years. This means all the concept can be used for our body electricity also. Just see the potential of this particular concept. We have body electricity inside, we have the STEM energy inside, we have the chi energy inside, all are the very same. That is working on the principles of the outer electricity. Outer electricity and the inner electricity both are working on the same principles. This is the Eureka moment. And you will find it that how much powerful this particular concept is. Dear friends, the body electricity has the same working principles of the normal electricity. We can say electrical engineer rocks. We will discuss it, this very beautiful concept, in the energy series. And this is a really Eureka moment for spirituality as well as of the science also. Because by this method we can use the mastery of the electrical engineering for our human body also. Dear friends, one energy, many generation methods, and the multiple uses can be there. That's why the STEM energy is the father of all the cures. Dear friends, now a question comes: who will be get benefited from the STEM energy methods or the holistic healing methods? Very big questions. Whether it will be work for the Africa or America or Jerusalem or Israel or China or the India or Australia. Dear friends, every person who has the human body, repeating, every person who has the human body, the healing techniques, the energy healing techniques will be work on that particular person. If you have the human body, this means you are alive, This means the energy methods will work on you. But preferably, not necessarily, I am not saying necessarily, but preferably if a person have primary circuit okay, primary energy circuit okay, then these techniques will work in more beautiful manner, more good manner to that. And what is the meaning of the primary energy circuit of the human body? Just see the pointer. This is our human body. If I cut both the hands, if I cut both the legs, whatever remains, that is called as a primary energy circuit of our human body. This is necessary to deal with the energies in the balanced manner, in more effective manner. Dear friends, as we have clearly said to you that all the humans can be get benefited by it, whether any of the nation, any religion, any gender, any state, any nation, any orientation, any age, whatever is there, whether you are girl, boy, old person, student, young person, kid, from Africa or from Australia, these energy methods will use to all the human persons who have the human body. And if you are seeing this particular episode, then certainly I can firmly say you have the human body and you are alive, and these methods will work on you. Dear friends, all the alive humans can be get benefited by these methods of the STEM energy. Dear friends, one human system is there. Human existence is one. It is not there that I have the 2 eyes and an African person have 3 eyes. No, he will be the Dajjal, Al-Dajjal. I think that Muslim friends understand my words. So dear friends, none of the person have the 3 eyes or 4 eyes or single eye. All the humans normally have the 2 eyes. This means all the humans have uniform and the one human system, one human existence, similar type of the body, one type of the blood, all have the red, nobody have the black or blue or green, although there may be the O positive, A positive, etc., etc., but all the persons have the red blood. Whether you have the green blood, reptilian, no, it should not be there. So dear friends, one human system is there, one body is there, one blood is there. That's why one energy is there throughout the globe. Hence, we can firmly say there may be many kind of the religion, but spirituality is one. That's why there is a universal cure, just like the allopathy, and that universal cure is stem cell therapy. STEM energy methods. Dear friends, now let us learn about the cafeteria theory. We have earlier discussed about the STEM energy. Who are the persons on which this STEM energy will work? We have discussed. Now let us learn about the cafeteria theory. And what is the cafeteria theory? Pay in the terms of the power and get services of any type. In the cafeteria, in the McDonald's, in the mall, what you are doing? You have only single thing, that's the money. That's it. And if you have the money, you can purchase any of the damn thing, burger, chow mein, pizza, burger, etc., french fries. You can purchase anything from that money. Dear friends, in the spirituality, the energy is like the same money. If you have the energy, you can use this particular energy in many manners. But If you do not have the energy, then the basic healing will be of very far from you. You will be just like a very common person. And dear friends, the Almighty God has given you a great potential, great energy generation capabilities. That's why, dear friends, we can say, kindly earn the energy, kindly earn the money which is getting used in the spirituality. Earn the money, earn the energy, and then use this energy for any good methods. And we will tell you that what are the methods by which you can raise your standard, you can raise your human life, whether it is intelligence, healing, etc. etc. So dear friends, this is the secret by the spiritual science. This is the secret being cracked by the channel Zero to Infinity. Life is just like the cafeteria. Pay the money, get the services. Spirituality is also a cafeteria. Earn the energy, pay the energy, and get the services of any type. Dear friends, more will be the requirement of the STEM energy if, as we are dealing the healing series, body healing series, healthiness series, that's why we are referring this energy, we are using this energy for the healing purpose only. Although it has many of the methods to use, but in this particular series we will talk only about the healing methods through energy. Dear friends, the more big disease will be there, more will be the requirement of the STEM energy. And what are the big disease? AIDS, cancer, COVID-19, etc. etc. The COVID-19 is changing its strain day to day life. That's why it is very tough for the scientists, for the medical practitioners, for the doctors to deal with it, because the strain is changing very fastly, very frequently. Double mutant, triple mutant, etc. That's why I have put it in the big disease. So dear friends, if there is a big disease, you need STEM energy also of the big quantum. Second one, if you have the deep disease, what is the meaning of the deep disease? If complete body have some kind of the disease, it is a deep disease. If you have some kind of the allergy, if you have some kind of the skin disease, or if you have some kind of the mental problem, then yes, we can say it is a deep disease. And if you want to deal with it, if you want to deal it with the help of the STEM energy, then certainly the quantum and the purity of the STEM energy needed will be of high level. Another one, if more old disease will be there, more old disease means you are suffering from the decade, you are suffering from the years, just like diabetes, just like solid disease like the tumor, any kind of the cyst in your body, or any kind of the chronic disease. This means if more old disease is there, you require high quantum of the STEM energy, high purity of the STEM energy. Dear friends, in nutshell we can say, although solution is only one, repeating, although solution is only one through energy, but requirement of the quantum of the energy will be very different. Some of the person, some of the disease will require very less energy and you will be get healed. Some of the disease will require very high quantum of the STEM energy. Then only you will be able to heal yourself. Just see, if you have the headache, any ache, any headache, you can treat yourself with 1 cent tablet only. Only pay the 1 cent, take a pill, you will require very small expenditure, okay, and you will be getting cure by the headache, okay. But whether you can handle the cancer with it? No, not at all. The cancer treatment will require the $1 million minimum. This means it requires the big expenditure to cure it, and that too temporarily through the allopathy. This means the allopathy is curing the cancer, but temporarily, not a permanent solution at all with the allopathy. Whether I am right or wrong, you can decide it. You can feel the truth in the words. Another one. AIDS cure is still not up to the mark because there is no cure with the allopathy. Even you can do any kind of the expenditure, any quantum of the expenditure, but no foolproof method to cure the AIDS. Another one, the COVID-19 disease, ever changing mutant, ever changing strain is there. We are facing the struggle with the COVID-19. And what about the future diseases? The Wuhan lab of the China has more than 1500 biochemicals, bioweapons, bioviruses in it. If the one virus of the Wuhan has completely destroyed the world, then what about the next 1500? I do not know that what kind of the next bioweapon will be govern the humanity. I do not know. This means we have chances to face the future diseases also, and Almighty God only the save us, but our humanity is also to help itself. We have to help ourselves to get a cure. So dear friends, the headache or small things can be getting treated by the small expenditure. Cancer, like some of the things, we require the major expenditure, and there are the many diseases we humanity, we medical science do not have cure of it, a good cure of it, whether you have the paying capacity or not. Dear friends, as the power or the STEM energy is very limited in the common man like you and me, we have the very less energy, very limited energy with us. That's why it will be better if we focus on the one disease at a time with our complete and the full energy to get the good results. Just like you are seeing the sun. Kindly see the pointer. By this particular slide we can say even the paper can be burned by help of the magnifier, by the help of the sun energy. But the requirement is sun energy should be concentrated, otherwise it will be not able to burn the paper. Dear friends, that's why I am saying we have the very less and the very limited energy. That's why we cannot cure ourselves instantaneously if we are dealing with all the problems in one time. That's why it will be more better that we acquire the energy for 10 to 15 minutes to 1 hour, then we concentrate our full energy to one particular disease only for some of the days. In the 7 to 10 days you will get the visible impact. Then only when you feel satisfaction that yes, this particular disease has been completed, this disease has been killed by us, then only take the another disease for the healing. Otherwise you will just say that these techniques are not working. But I can say you do not have the energy, that's why you are not able to cure yourself. Energy, vibration must to be acquired, and I can say that if I need at least 45 minutes in energy generation, then only I will be able to cure myself for the 15 minutes or 20 minutes by that generated energy, that generated burst of the energy. So dear friends, more important is energy generation, then more important is how to give the direction to that energy, then focus on the problematic limb one at a time. Dear friends, this is just like if you have the $100 and the 10 wishes, what will be there? 10 wishes and $100. Choice number 1, $10 per wish. This means 10 into 10 equal to 100. All the wishes will be incomplete. Okay, if I will be fulfill my 10 wishes with the limited quantum of the money, then all the wishes will be incomplete. Choice number 2, $100 for a single wish. $100 for a single wish. This means although I will complete one wish at a time, but I will get complete satisfaction of that particular wish. That's why dear friends, better will be if we focus on only one disease at a time with our full of the energy to get good results in very less time. Dear friends, I know that many of the things are going ahead of your head, but yes, some of the standard is to be maintained by this channel, so that if you revise it, then you should feel that some new insights should become when you revise these episodes. Dear friends, now I will not bore you. I will narrate a small story to you. The story has been given by the Lord Buddha of the Buddhism, the Gautam Buddha. The Gautam Buddha used to travel from the one place to another with his disciples. One day he was traveling with his disciples. On the way, there were many pits dug in a field. All the disciples were surprised to see so many pits in the same field. No one could understand why someone have dug so many pits together. What is the reason that some of the person has put a small pits in complete farm, complete land? What is the reason? The disciple have asked from the Gautam Buddha, from the Lord Buddha. The disciple asked the Buddha, please tell the Tathagata, what is the secret of so many pits in one field? The Buddha said, the Lord Buddha said, the owner of this field has dug so many pits while searching for the water. He was digging the well, but he lacked the patience. After digging a small pit, there was no water, so he started digging another pit. If there is no water in the second, then the third pit got dug. In the same way, he dug pits everywhere in the field, but if he have kept digging the pit at the same place with the patience, he would have some water. He would have got water. This means if a person have done so many small pits, if he has done complete effort, complete focus effort for one pit, certainly he could have water in his own well. So what is the lesson of this story? People who lack the patience, those people are always upset. Work does not improve in a hurry, but it worsens. That's why one should always be patient. And what is the significance of it in our context? Dear friends, kindly focus your complete energy, complete burst of the energy for one single disease. Once this disease gets removed completely, if you feel confident, yes, I have fight with the disease, and if I have killed one disease, your confidence level will boost up. Then only focus your complete energy in the second disease, then third disease, then fourth disease. Otherwise, you will not face a problem, but the speed will be very slow. And yes, again and again I am saying, energy generation is very, very, very important. Dear friends, the diseases are not getting cured easily. We have to earn stem energy and practice to heal the disease. Earning the stem energy is very, very important, and we must have to have practice to heal the disease. Although it is definitely possible, and with the practice you will able to heal yourself, but whether you have faith or not faith, choice is of completely yours. Whether you want to take help only from the allopathy, whether you have great money so that the hospital industry can take care of you, if you have the millions of the rupees, millions of the dollars, millions of the euros in your pocket, the hospital industry will take care of you. But what about if you are a person from the Africa, if you are a poor person, if you do not have so much money to deal with the great disease, then what to do it? Dear friends, that's why I am saying these are the free methods, energy of yours. These are the logical techniques, these are the free techniques by which you can cure yourself from any kind of the damn disease of this world. Dear friends, time is of yours, energy of yours, belief is of yours, disease is of yours, effort will be of yours, and guaranteedly healing will be of yours. But this will be your own choice whether you have the belief or not on these great techniques. And finally, we can say from the channel Zero to Infinity, we can ask from you, from the ancient civilization, do you have it in you? Do you have it in you? Dear friends, this is the high time to awake. This is the correct time. This is the right time to awake from the sleep. The Armageddon is on the door. I can say, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal of the healing is achieved by you. Dear friends, let's go together to heal ourselves. Let's go together to make this earth, make this planet more healthy. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his own life. If he or she get benefited from it, then only he or she should spread these experiment of the truth to all the mankind, to all the humans, so that a healthy human society can be built. Dear friends, kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. But the result checking after doing the experiment of the truth. No endless discussion without self-doing. Dear friends, your time is very precious, my time is very precious, and we cannot endless discuss on mere concept, because concepts are so that you can feel the concept, you can heal yourself, you can act on it, then only it will be helpful for you. Otherwise, there are the millions or billions of the videos are there. There are million or billion hours for the streaming media in the Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, etc., then what is the need for this particular episode? So dear friends, if you have done the experiment of the truth, if you are facing some kind of the problem, if you want to learn more, then only we will discuss. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts to make the Eden Garden. These are the spiritual science to bring the Eden Garden on the earth. These are the spiritual science concepts to make the earth worth living, to make the earth more beautiful, more worthy for the living. And this concept are for you, so that you and me can both make this earth worth living, more beautiful. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. The holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers, the positive religion power will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Let's go together. Dear friends, this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. We 101% touch the land edge like the Noah's Ark. I am very much confident about it, and this confidence I have to rise in you. And one thing is very sure, Armageddon is not in between the nations. The Armageddon will not be in between the religions at all. The Armageddon will be there, but in between the positive and negative powers only. In the godly powers and the satanic power, the Armageddon will be fight. But if the nations are the fighting the Armageddon, or the religions are fighting like the Armageddon, they both are not getting the clear picture. They are being governed by the Satan. They are being governed by the satanic plan. Dear friends, the godly plan is Armageddon in between the positive and negative powers. The satanic plan is the Armageddon in between the religions, the Armageddon in between the humans, Armageddon in between the nations. Dear friends, it is a completely your own choice whether you are with deity, positive powers, white powers, or the godly powers, or you are with the demonic energy, satanic energy, negative energy, or the black energy. Whether you are with the Lord Kalki, Christ, second coming, Messiah, or the Al-Mahdi, or whether you are with Al-Dajjal, Antichrist, false Messiah, or the Kali demon. Whether you want to bring heaven on the earth, or whether you want to make hell on this earth. Choice is very individual, and so will be the consequences. Dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, or critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago. You may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be any person on this earth. You may have any kind of the questions under this blue sky. Kindly feel free to ask from the channel 0 to Infinity. I will definitely cover it in my future episodes, so that I can help to my friend, to my Homer Simpson, to my dear Princess Jasmine. Dear friends, happy times. Thank you very much for the watching. Happy times and good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you. I, Praful Dabi, bow to the God hidden inside you.